viewers, I'm here to show you about my stock account update. Today, my stock account has made a loss of 0.08% to 72,662.49. Today, SQQ made a loss of 0.2% and the United Natural Gas made a loss of 0.15%. The Dow Jones Industrial Average closed down 0.487%, Nasdaq Composite closed down 0.14%, and S&P 500 closed down 0.27%. Today, in the US Core PCE price index recorded an annual rate of 3.9% in August, and 3.9% expected versus 4.2% last month. After the data was released, the dollar index fell near 10 points in the short term because it'll be also fell 10 points in the short term, and the non-US currencies retreated, with the euro trading down nearly 20 points at 1.059, and the US dollar versus Japanese yen trading above 30 points at 149.23. The yield of the 2-year Treasury note fell 3.2%, 2 basis points to 5.039%. After the PCE data, traders continue to bet that the federal rate hike is over. The Fed's favorite underlying inflation measure grew at its lowest monthly pace since the end of 2020, while the consumer spending rose slightly. The report is likely to be the last major report from the government before lawmakers reached an agreement on funding from these agencies. Short of funding, the government is expected to close at the start of October. While consumer spending rose in August, underlying inflation eased as the index excluding food and energy slowed to below 4.0% year-on-year, the analysis said. But the underlying inflation pressure are fading, which will be welcomed by the Fed officials. Jerome Powell said officials want to see that convincing evidence that they have raised interest rate high enough to keep inflation down to 2% target. Potential inflation has cooled as the Fed raised interest rates over the past 18 months, but the Fed officials have previously said they need to see the trend continue before they can decide whether to raise interest rates again. Fed officials' forecast suggests that they expect for inflation to cool further next year, but Sumo Makuda said that even if that happens, the Fed could keep interest rate high for a long time. That's all I have for today. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next episode.